I welcome all of you on platform of Yourpedia Education. Yourpedia पे हम लोग we are uploading some of the inspirational videos. You must have seen that of very common students, ordinary students, but yes, extraordinary achievements at the end of the day because of consistency. लगे रहो चलते रहो, that is the mantra we keep on telling that. So students keep on keep on putting effort, and with passage of time they settle down very well in the life. They get good career for them, so those are the stories which we are picking up. See, if someone is rank 1, rank 2, very intelligent, very capable boy from the very beginning, good achievements, that is good. I mean, that is a great, but that cannot be identified with the majority of the life of majority of the people. Majority like us are very ordinary people, those who do not score very high in school, very high in graduation, not very good college, but keep putting effort. So either you are gifted, but if you are not gifted in particular domain, then with the persistence, with the hard work, with the sheer perseverance, you can achieve everything in life. दैट इज व्हाट आई फील इज इंस्पिरेशनल, जिसको मैं आइडेंटिफाई कर सकूं। मैं उस स्टोरी से इंस्पायर होऊंगा जो मेरे को अपनी जैसी स्टोरी लगेगी, मेरे को लगेगा कि हाँ यार ये तो मेरे जैसा ही स्टोरी है, मेरे को यही प्रॉब्लम्स अभी आ रही हैं, उससे मैं इंस्पायर होऊंगा एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, जो मेरे को लगेगा कि हाँ दिस इज द अचीवमेंट. So now let me request all of you that if you have such story, if you have such a story of yours, then please share it, because that will be contribution. I'm finding students, I'm finding people of such story जिन्होंने लाइफ में स्ट्रगल किया है, जिनको बहुत से डिबेकल मिले हैं, फेलियर मिला है, फिर उन्होंने अचीव किया और नाउ दे आर गुड. और आपको लगता है कि आपकी स्टोरी सुन के कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को बेनिफिट हो सकता है, कुछ लोगों को बेनिफिट हो सकता है, please feel free and share that story with me. I'm attaching a Google form, and in that there is an audio message also I'm attaching. So you please fill that form. If you find your stories like that, I'll get back to you. I'll discuss with you. We'll have Zoom meeting and I'll record that. And if you permit, and if we feel that way it's good, I'll share with everyone on YouTube. And believe me, we should spread the positive energy. You see where I'm standing. Be the change that you want to see in the world. That if we want positivity in the world, we should be part of that. We should actually bring it. So आज की डेट में हम देखते हैं सब जगह नेगेटिविटी सी लोग फैलाते हैं कि ये नहीं हो सकता, वो नहीं हो सकता, भाई साहब इसमें फायदा नहीं है, उसमें फायदा नहीं है, पढ़ के फायदा नहीं है, हायर एजुकेशन करके फायदा नहीं है, अब्रॉड जाके फायदा नहीं है, जॉब लेके फायदा नहीं है. सो फिर किसमें फायदा है? अगर हम ये नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड लेके चलेंगे ना, then things will not be very very positive for us, and we need to change that. And how we can change that is we need to reflect the positive stories, positivity of the life of the people to others. और मैंने जितनी भी अभी तक इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरीज डाली हैं आपने देखा होगा, these are the people who are very ordinary people but extraordinary attitude, positive attitude and extraordinary achievements. So let's share it. अगर आपकी ऐसी स्टोरी है, please share it, fill this form, I'll get back to you and we will publish your story, and it will help many people, thousands of people over there. Thanks a lot, waiting for your story to come. And अगर आपको डाउट भी है कि मैं डालूं कि ना डालूं स्टोरी, मेरी इंस्पिरेशनल है कि नहीं है, डोंट वरी, आई विल टॉक टू यू. अगर हमें लगेगा तब हम उसको डालेंगे, एटलीस्ट वी कैन टॉक. आई विल गेट बैक टू यू एंड वी विल टॉक. So share it and let's go forward. Thank you.